welcome to this video, and in this video we will be looking on how to find the factorial of a number using Python programming. So let's get started. First, we need to know what is factorial. So if we take a factorial of a number, for example 5 factorial, then it will give output of 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is known as factorial. Okay. So now you got to know about what factorial is. Let's write a program to do this operation using Python. So first, let's take a number as, for example, 5. Okay. So here, if we do this calculation, if 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60, 62s are 120. So this will give output as 120. So our program should give this output. Okay. So now here we will initialize to find fact of factorial of fact is factorial. Okay. So now let's initialize our factorial is equal to 1. Okay. So now what we have to do is we have to calculate the factorial, that is we have to iterate from 1 to 5, right? So factorial of 5 is 5 4 3 to 1, right? So we have to go from 1 to 5. So we will be using for loop. Okay. For I in range of 1 comma n plus 1. Okay. So what we will be doing, we will be assigning fact as equal to fact into I. Okay. So now let's print it out. Okay. Print the output. Okay. So print of the factorial of number is comma. Okay. So this is a simple code, right? Within 3 lines, we have completed it. So let's run it. And now you can see the factorial of the number is 120. Okay. So now let us take the input from the user. Okay. So we will do of input of enter the number to find factorial of. Okay. And let's move them to next line so that it will look good. And let us make this as int. Okay, let the variable take integer as the input. So now let's run it and let's give the value as 5. And now you can see 120 as output. And if we want, we can also give as 10. And you can see this is the factorial of 10. So thank you for watching. Hope you got to know about what is factorial and how to find factorial using Python.